everyone!
Hi!
Today, I know it's not the same usual setting that we have, but I think it's safe to say that we can throw all normality out the window at this point. Today, we have a special guest with us, my long-lost foster brother from foster care when I was a kid, Drew.
Hello!
He's helping us with a baking video today.
We thought it would be a good idea for the four of us to have some sibling bonding. We invited Alex, but she's not here yet. But she will be.
Drew, would you like to tell us what we'll be making today, because you're the only one who can pronounce it correctly?
Yes, today we will be making ALFAJORES de Maizena, an Argentinian recipe from my lovely girlfriend, Elena.
Elena, who was the one who was chasing me at the party, but little did she know she was chasing the wrong Drew. Who would have thought we would have been at the same party dressed as ghosts?
I know.
Great Jews think alike, right? Now on to the ALFAJORES de Maizena.
Almost.
Not everyone is fluent in Spanish like you.
I'm not fluent. Yet.
Right, Alex, would you like to read us the ingredients for the ALFAJORES de Maizena? Not bad for someone who struggled with Dora the Explorer. Remember? We used to watch that.
Yeah, I remember. You couldn't even remember what the word 3 was. Dora taught us 3 numbers, and you couldn't remember what one of them was.
Come on, I was 4. Like, you were older than me. That's not fair. Okay, we've recovered. Will you please get some close-up shots of the ingredients while we pour them in?
Sure.
Okay, Mr. Almost Fluent in Spanish, what do we do first? This is your recipe after all.
It's Elena's recipe, and I've never made it before, which is my excuse if things go horribly wrong. Okay, first we beat the butter until creamy. We need 1.5 sticks.
Just beat it, woo! Yeah, let's use some movie magic to make this go faster.
The creamed butter. Now we gradually add the sugar, 1/2 cup.
Look how fluffy it is.
Like little yellow clouds.
Okay, now we're gonna add 2 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of lemon rind, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and then sift in the dry ingredients. Elena says you can also use powdered lemons, but she recommends the fresh lemon rind.
Yeah, powdered sounds kind of weird.
Put it back in the bowl. You don't want to waste it. Don't waste it. Right, now that we have our batter, we are going to roll it out, cut it into small circles, and put it on some buttered baking trays.
Try saying that 5 times fast. Batter, butter, baking trays.
Butter, baking.
Batter, butter, baking trays.
Buttered baking trays.
Batter, butter, baking trays. Okay. Hey, what's up?
Alex can't come. Something came up.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, just continue.
Okay.
And now, we place these in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. Did you turn the oven on, Drew?
No, I did not, Drew. Why are you filming this? It's not like we're on the Great British Bake Off keeping watch for soggy bottoms.
You wanted close-ups.
Okay, we've removed these cookies from the baking sheet and allowed them to completely cool. Lucia Elena says if you don't do that, then the next step can turn out to be a disaster. But let's be real. It looks like we've already been in a flour explosion.
That's the truth. Alright, for the next part you need coconut and dulce de leche.
As my lovely assistant Alex will show you, you need to take one cookie and on the flat side put some dulce de whatever. Put it on the back like so. Perfect, Alex. And then you take another cookie and using the flat side you squish the two cookies together so some of it oozes out of the sides. Then you dip the sides into the coconut to complete the look. Time for some more movie magic. Ta-da!
These look so good.
Thank you guys so much for joining us on this very special episode, and thank you, Drew, for coming along and sharing some of your Spanish skills.
Gracias. It's been fun hanging out with you guys. And fun to see not so little Drew again.
It's good to see you again, bro.
It's good to see you again.
Well, who knows what will happen next time that we film. If we go off of past experiences, it could be anything, really. Until then, viewers, bye!
Bye!